Imagine starting your morning with lemon and ginger, believing you are doing something powerful for your health, only to discover that one small mistake could be silently damaging your body instead of helping it. This is exactly what happens to thousands of seniors every day. Lemon and ginger are often praised as a natural miracle combination. They are known for boosting digestion, supporting immunity, and even helping with inflammation. But what most people do not realize is that the way they consume this mixture can completely change its effects on the body. Many seniors wake up and immediately drink lemon and ginger water on an empty stomach. It feels refreshing, it feels healthy, and it has become almost a ritual. But here is where the problem begins. The fatal mistake is not the ingredients themselves, it is how and when they are consumed. Drinking a highly acidic mixture first thing in the morning, especially in concentrated form, can irritate the stomach lining. As we age, the stomach becomes more sensitive and the protective mucus layer is not as strong as it used to be. This means that what once felt harmless can now trigger discomfort, acid reflux, or even worsen existing digestive issues. Lemon is rich in citric acid, and ginger is known for stimulating gastric activity. Together, they create a powerful combination that increases stomach acid production. For a young and healthy digestive system, this may not be a problem, but for seniors, especially those over 60, this can lead to burning sensations, bloating, and long-term irritation. Some people even start experiencing symptoms they never had before, such as heartburn or a feeling of heaviness after meals, without realizing that their healthy drink is the cause. Another mistake that is very common is using too much ginger. Many believe that the more ginger they add, the stronger the benefits will be. In reality, excessive ginger can overstimulate the digestive system and may even interfere with certain medications. Seniors who take blood thinners, for example, should be particularly careful. Ginger has natural blood-thinning properties, and combining it with medication can increase the risk of bleeding. This is rarely discussed, but it is extremely important. Temperature also plays a crucial role. Drinking very hot lemon and ginger water might seem comforting, but it can actually irritate the throat and esophagus. Over time, this repeated irritation may lead to sensitivity and discomfort. On the other hand, drinking it too cold can shock the digestive system and slow down digestion, especially in older adults whose metabolism is already slower. The ideal approach is to consume it warm, not hot, not cold. There is also a hidden issue that most people overlook. Lemon juice, when consumed regularly in high amounts, can gradually affect tooth enamel. Seniors are already more prone to dental problems, and frequent exposure to acid can accelerate enamel erosion. This can lead to sensitivity, pain, and even long-term dental damage. Something as simple as drinking through a straw or rinsing the mouth with water afterward can make a significant difference, yet very few people take this precaution. Timing is another key factor. Many seniors believe that drinking lemon and ginger water first thing in the morning will detox their body. The truth is that the body already has its own detoxification systems, mainly the liver and kidneys. What matters more is supporting these organs gently, not overwhelming them. Consuming this mixture right after waking up when the stomach is completely empty can be too aggressive. A better approach is to wait until after a light meal, allowing the digestive system to be more prepared. Portion size is often ignored as well. A small cup can be beneficial, but large quantities can lead to imbalance. The body thrives on moderation. Too much of even a good thing can become harmful. Seniors should aim for balance, not intensity. A mild infusion, properly diluted, is far more effective and safer than a strong, concentrated drink. Hydration also plays an important role. Some people replace their regular water intake with lemon and ginger water, thinking they are upgrading their hydration. However, this can backfire. The body still needs plain water to function properly. Lemon and ginger should be seen as a supplement, not a replacement. Overloading the body with constant stimulation from ginger and acidity from lemon can create unnecessary stress on the digestive system. There is also the issue of expectations. Many seniors turn to lemon and ginger with the hope of quick results, whether it is weight loss, better digestion, or improved immunity. When results do not appear immediately, they increase the quantity or frequency, unknowingly increasing the risk of side effects. Natural remedies work best when they are used consistently, gently, and realistically. They are not magic solutions, but supportive tools. So what is the right way to consume lemon and ginger? The answer is simple but often ignored. Use fresh ingredients, but in moderate amounts. Avoid drinking it on a completely empty stomach. Choose warm water instead of very hot or very cold. Limit the quantity to 1 small cup per day. Pay attention to how your body reacts. If you feel discomfort, it is a sign that something needs to be adjusted. It is also important to consider individual health conditions. Seniors with gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should be particularly cautious. What works for one person may not work for another. Listening to your body is more important than following trends. Health is not about copying what everyone else is doing, but about understanding what your body truly needs. At the end of the day, lemon and ginger are not the enemy. In fact, they can be incredibly beneficial when used correctly. The real danger lies in the small mistakes that most people overlook. These mistakes are easy to fix, but only if you are aware of them. By making a few simple adjustments, you can transform this popular drink from a hidden risk into a powerful ally for your health. The truth is often surprising. Sometimes the healthiest habits can become harmful when done the wrong way. This is why knowledge is so important, especially as we age. Your body changes, your needs evolve, and what worked in your 30s may not be suitable in your 60s or 70s. Understanding these changes is the key to staying healthy and avoiding unnecessary problems. If you have been drinking lemon and ginger every morning without thinking twice, now is the time to pause and reflect. Not to stop completely, but to adjust, to refine, and to make smarter choices. Small changes can have a big impact, and in this case, they can make the difference between discomfort and true health benefits. Your health is built on daily habits, and every detail matters. The way you prepare your drink, the time you consume it, the quantity you choose, all of these factors play a role. When you start paying attention to these details, you take control of your health in a much more powerful way. This is not about fear, it is about awareness. And once you understand the hidden mistake that most seniors make with lemon and ginger, you are already one step ahead.